Hello, my name is Sheila Contreras. Best friends. Players. She likes to listen to music in the hobby. She likes to go to the movies. She likes to go to the park with her family. Dislikes. When she was little, she disliked going to school. She disliked cooking sauce. She disliked playing sport every day when she was at school. Click. She clicked swim in the pool. She clicked jump rock. She clicked watch movie with her family. Club knock. She clicked knock Vader under rain quarry. She went was little click not pay attention to her tickers. She clicked not paying when she was little. Could knock. She can go to when she's working. She can be late for work. She can go to university. Could. She can now work as secretary. She can go and have fun on the weekends. She can go shopping with her friends when she is on leave. Thank you.